Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Steam to bank account. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So if you didn't know already, normally you're not supposed to be able to do this, withdraw money from Steam into your bank account. However, there's still a way we can do this, so let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how we can do it right now. So to start with, you first want to head to this website called skincasher.com. Now the first thing you want to do is click on sell your skins, and then you'll get a pop-up to log into your account. You just want to select your Steam account or log in if you're not already signed in, and then you'll be brought to this page here. So from here, what you want to do is just type in an email. So then after you type in your email, you just want to put in your trade URL, and if you don't know what your trading URL is or you don't know how to find it, there's a button here which says find your trade URL here. So just click on that link and then you can input it into here and then save account settings after ticking this box here. So as you can see right here, it says we're unable to locate any items. So what you want to do is you want to make sure inventory privacy is set to public. So click on this link if you're seeing this. So I've done the first step and my inventory is set to public. So the second step says it's possible Steam is undergoing maintenance. In this case, you should wait a few minutes and update your inventory. So we're going to go ahead and click on this, and unfortunately it's still not working. So it might take a little while to load it first like mine is. You just want to make sure you have put your trade URL in. I have, but it's just taken a while to update, so give it a couple minutes and then press this update inventory button and you should be able to see your Steam inventory. So what you basically want to do is choose the skins that you want to sell to skin cash off, and then from there, if you have a promo code, you can enter that also, and then you can basically just want to select the payout method. So as you can see, there's PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Paya, Kiwi, Kapta, and also ADV Cash. So there's basically tons of options. You can have crypto or you can have it straight into your bank account if that's something you want. So as of now, this is the only way to do it. So hopefully you did manage to successfully withdraw your money from your Steam account into your bank account. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.